Bruh.
10 grand, baby.
Oh my god. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Blake B Sneak, and we're back with another video. Today I'm here at Equivalence, a sneaker store located in Encino, and I hit up the two store owners, Michelangelo and Jacob, and I was like, yo, I need a mystery box. I haven't done a Hypebeast mystery box in a minute, and I think we can get a pretty dope shoe one, a sneakers only mystery box, because they have really dope selection of shoes here. So if you guys ever want to come through, their Instagram will be on the screen. Make sure you guys swing by. Michelangelo right here. He also, and Jake. But basically, this is my boy right here. He actually manages me and all my stuff that I'm doing. He helps me get everything done on time. So thank you, bro. You made this box with Jacob.
Put some goodies in there, some good stuff, some stuff you haven't seen in a while, some rare stuff.
Is it a lot of stuff you think I'm gonna keep?
Yeah, it's a couple of stuff you're gonna keep. There's some stuff that you really wanted that we didn't have in your size, so you end up either bringing it back and size swapping it, or size swapping it somewhere else, whichever one it is.
Yeah, and if there's something in here that's like totally not my size, or I like totally don't want, then I'm probably gonna sell it back to the store later on, just because he'll give me store credit that I can use for other stuff. And so, how much would you say this box is worth? I am paying $10,000 for this box.
I'd say it's definitely over 10,000, maybe about 13, 14K.
Really?
With some other extra goodies in there. Especially if you want to bring some stuff back that doesn't really fit you and stuff.
Is it all my size or is it scattered?
It's not all your size. There's some stuff that I know you really want, but I didn't have your size in it. So for now, I gave it to you with not in your size, and you can always come back once we get in your size.
I'll either try to sell it to you guys for more, or I'll get I'll get what I can back from him, and he'll just take it back and put it back up here, and I'll just wait on some other dope stuff to come through. So again, thank you, Michelangelo. Thank you, Jacob. We're gonna go to my house now, and we're gonna basically unbox this. I'm very, very excited. I can't wait.
You got that?
Let's get it. I got it. I've been in the gym, yeah. We got my new car right here.
Whoa, you've been in the gym.
Why isn't it opening?
Here you go, buddy.
Oh, it's not unlocked. My key.
Where are your keys?
Left pocket. Whoa, why are you reaching down there?
Whoa. Whoa.
Here you go, buddy.
I think it's gonna fit.
It'll fit. Ish. No chance.
Wait, try it.
I told you.
No chance.
Should have brought the SVR, baby.
SVR is getting wrapped. It doesn't fit.
You gotta put it in the back seat. No babies roll down, but go for it. You may need to put it in the front seat.
How do I do this? Why am I struggling? All right, we came to the conclusion that we're just gonna call an Uber.
Let's call an Uber Black.
Calling an Uber, yeah. We're calling any Uber. They're gonna have to figure it out.
Looks like our guy's here.
Hello. Thank you. Thanks. All right, we got the box. My car looks pretty nice.
I think Jake looks pretty nice.
Thanks, Tommy. I haven't been on here in a minute. It's good to be back.
All right, guys, so we're back at the crib. We have the box right here. I'm very excited to get into this. I have no idea what this is gonna be. I paid $10,000 for this box. I'm probably gonna give some of this stuff back to him if it's not my size for store credit, and then I'm basically just gonna have like store credit there for a while. But I'm very excited to get into this. I have no idea what to expect. He said he like put a bunch of things that I may not want, he was telling me. Okay, it's already kind of open.
All right, let's make the first one a blind pick.
Blind pick?
Yeah.
Okay. Stuff's like kind of falling out everywhere.
Bro, what?
Huh.
Are you kidding me?
What are those?
Are you kidding me?
$10 grand, baby.
Solar Yeezy 2s. So I actually had a pair of these and then I sold them and I guess I just got them back. Damn. So what value would we put these at? $2 grand?
I put them at 2,500.
Yeah.
2,500?
So that's a good start already, boys.
2,500?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Alright, that's the first pair. Wow.
Alright, let's get another blind pick, because that was a very good blind pick.
Are these brand new?
Bruh. Those go for like a lot.
They look kind of used.
Let me see.
Always passes good stuff.
They probably sell used shoes as new there.
Let's use this.
Would you put these as brand new? Probably, huh?
Honestly, they look like they were tried on. Maybe.
Those are my size, by the way. 10 and a half, that's all. These are 12.
My size.
You already have. You got these for your birthday.
Oh yeah, you did.
And the UNC off-whites. Yeah, there's some signs of wear for sure. Sorry, Michelangelo, you can't sell these as new. We legit checked them here at Linder X.
Oh, $350.
What are these? Why did he give me these?
What are those? Those.
I think these are actually a sample.
Dude, those go for like 3 grand.
Oh, it is a sample, but
What are those?
I like
They're
them.
UNC 14s. Pantene.
I hope this isn't like the best other item. The only other good item.
That's like 3 grand, dude. Either way.
I don't care.
Can you stock exit? Because I don't believe you.
Well, why don't you look at the bottom?
What do you mean?
They're a little used. I don't even think
I think they're
are
like falling apart. Look.
They're probably game worn.
Game worn? Pantone 14s, not keeping these for sure. They're size 10, but kind of interesting. They're a sample. It's kind of cool. Alright. Easy $350. Pair of Statics. I love these. These look great. I think these are one of the best ones, the best colors of the recent releases of the V2s. Can't really go wrong with these. Probably sell these on my Instagram or maybe give them back because I already have a pair. So, but yeah, I really like these. Statics are really cool.
Pantone 14s brand new go for 3,500. Whatever this site is. Shop Collection Miami. Because there's like no other place that has them. See?
3,500.
3,500.
Okay, so we're at 3,200 plus 3,500. No, we'll put these at 3.
I put them at 3.
Okay, so that's 6,200. What do these go for? 400?
I think they go for 400 now, ish.
Okay, so now we're at 6,600. Okay. I already have these. These are a pair of the translucent, clear, off-white Converse.
So fire though.
So fire. I'll probably sell these to you guys unless I can get more from him. What would these go for? 700?
No,
They go for
9.
more now. Like
They go
9.
9.
Used?
1,000.
I bought my used pair no box for 700.
Put these at 900.
I put them at, and they're like not like terribly worn.
So we're at 7,500 then if these are 900.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright. Oh shit.
Oh,
Bruh.
what are these?
Those
These are either Unions or they're Jeter ones.
Open those bad boys up.
These go for so much. Are these brand new?
Yeah, they're brand new.
I have my here. I put the yellow laces in.
Those are so fire. What size are they?
11 and a half.
How much are we at now?
What do these
Shit.
go for?
You want me to check?
Probably like $2 grand.
Go for an 11 and a half, 1350.
1350.
One cop.
No.
Wow. Okay. So a brand new pair of these Union ones. Crazy. We'll put them at 1,300 to be nice. What are we at now? We're at 75.
So now you're at
8800, and we have 3 more shoes. Better be something good in here because we're not at 10 yet. Can you check the price of Landmark Reflectives? Size 7.
Wait, reflective?
Yeah.
Don't those go for a lot?
Yeah, but they're trash. Oh my god. What the? I knew he was gonna give me these because he probably can't sell these. These are Landmark Reflective.
In what size?
Size 7.
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
He had these at 1,400. I got raped. These are reflective Landmarks. I guess they have like a shine to them when you put flash. I don't think any of the reflective pairs are worth it, to be honest, because you're paying so much more to get a 3M material, which should already come on it.
Yeah.
And it looks exactly the same as the regular ones.
Only RW would buy it.
1,000?
So now you're at
9,800. Okay, there's a pair that I know what it is in there. What are these?
Oh, those are Cactus Plant Flea Market.
What the f are these? Do you like these?
No.
What is this? Oh my god, these are so trash. What do they go for?
Like $80.
What does it say in the box?
$350.
That sounds about right.
Bro, these are so ugly.
They look like Uggs.
Not keeping these. I'm giving these back to him and asking for the full value.
Wait, so that was $350 and we were at 9,800. So that's
Just put it at 12.
so just put it at
300. So it's 10.
So now it's 10.2, 10.1.
The last shoe is. Oh, I thought these were a low.
Are those not lows?
No.
They're highs?
Oh my god. Bro, what the? Oh my god. Brand new pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1s. These are a size 12.
That's my size. I'll take them.
What do they go for?
They go for a lot now. Like, probably around $2,000.
Not size 12. Size 12 probably goes for like 1,300.
Yeah, no, he's right. 13.
1,300 for these suckers. So that puts us at 11.4. Jeez. All right. So a huge shout out to Michelangelo for this box and everybody at Equivalence. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the channel. We're trying to hit 700K ASAP. And I'm actually giving away a pair of Travis Scott lows. They're over there. When we hit 700K. So make sure you guys subscribe. And with all that being said, it's your boy Blake. I'll see you guys in a bit and we're out of here.